Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome back if you're a subscriber. My name is Vanessa. I'll be posting new videos every week. Today's video is on my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of May. Please like this video if you like it and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box that is $21 a month and you get 5 full-size products. And what I really like about it is you get like products that are well known that you could get at like Ulta or Sephora, and they have always put like new stuff in it too. So I've been subscribed for several months and I'm really happy with it. I'm just gonna unbox my box now so you can see what I got for the month of May. Thank you so much. So the month of May, this is my box here, and the box is called Boxy Bash. There's two coupon codes on the back, one for Cover FX and one for Pure Beauty. So I'll put those down below. If you're interested, I'll also link down where you can go to get a box for yourself if you want to start receiving them. It'll just be underneath. So the first thing that I got, which I'm really excited about, is this Cover FX Blurring Primer. It's full size, it's huge. I'm really excited about that. It retails for $38. And I'm really excited because everything that I've tried from Cover FX I've really liked so far. So I'm excited to give that a try. The next thing is a 3-piece brush set from Aesthetica, which is a 3-piece eye trio. It's got like a spoolie, a really thin one for like eyeliner, and one that looks like it could be used for your brows on it. So I'm excited about that actually because I don't have any brushes like that. And then the next is this Aesthetica P12 face brush. This one retails for $27 and these 3-piece set retails for $45. The next is this Pretty Vulgar. Ooh, I love the packaging on this. It's so pretty. It's a little pot. And you get a lot of product in here. Like for eyeliner, I feel like that would last you forever. It's in the color Blacklist, so it's a black eyeliner, which I love, and it retails for $24. I've never tried an eyeliner like this, so I'll have to try it in like a first impressions or something and let you guys know. Comment below if you've ever tried an eyeliner like that and with the brush, and did you find it hard to use, or what kind of eyeliner do you prefer? Next is this matte lip gloss, which is from Beauty Creations and retails for $10. I'll just do a swatch of it. I already love the color. Like, this is totally a color that I would wear. And here's a swatch of it here on my hand. It's super pretty. I already like the color of it, but I'll have to try the formula and let you guys know. And the next thing is this Pure Sculptor palette, which is here. I really like that the browns that are in it are really cool tone, and then there's nice champagne colors, and it kind of smells like chocolate, like a light scent of chocolate. So I'm excited to try that. I usually use cream contour products, so it'll be a change for me to try. I'm really happy with this month's box. It's not my favorite month that I've ever gotten, but I definitely think I got my $21 worth, that's for sure. Everything together probably retailed for over $100, so that's great. And I'll keep my subscription and keep doing these videos to show you guys what I get next month. Comment below what you got in your box this month, and are you enjoying your Boxycharm subscription, or what's your favorite subscription box or bag that you get every month. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much and have a great day.